Looking to refresh your patio or living room with a splash of style and comfort? Pillow Perfect's new Geo Black, White Lumbar pillows deliver just that, combining modern design with practical durability. These 5 inches by 18. 5 inches pillows aren't just eye-catching. They're built to withstand outdoor elements while keeping your seating cozy and inviting. What sets these pillows apart is their ultra-durable, water and fade-resistant polyester fabric. Whether you're lounging poolside or adding flair to your indoor sofa, these pillows maintain their vibrant look and shape. The 100% recycled polyester fiber fill adds just the right amount of cushion, so you don't have to sacrifice comfort for style. Plus, the crisp black and white geometric pattern pairs effortlessly with neutral tones or bold colors, making it easy to coordinate with your existing decor. I spent time searching for pillows that would fit my patio chairs perfectly and provide enough padding to relax comfortably. These cushions checked both boxes without compromise. Beyond the fit and comfort, the sleek design adds a fresh, modern vibe to my outdoor setup, exactly what I wanted. They've held up beautifully through sun and rain, and cleaning is simple with spot or hand washing. If you're ready to elevate your space with durable, stylish lumbar pillows that blend function and fashion, this set is worth a look. Pillow Perfect offers these in multiple shapes and sizes, making it easy to customize your look. Try them when you're ready to add that perfect pop of color and comfort to your home or patio.